Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Let's take a look at this example from the 2023 exam. We are asked to simplify the following. Cube root of 27y to the power of 6. Now remember, a cube root means we are finding a number that, when multiplied by itself 3 times, gives the original number. So to simplify an expression under a cube root, we divide each exponent by 3. This rule is written as the cube root of a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m divided by 3. So inside the cube root we have two parts, a number and a variable. The number is 27 and the variable part is y to the power of 6. So we can split this into two cube roots. The cube root of 27 multiplied by the cube root of y to the power of 6. Now we are going to simplify each part separately. Let's start with the number. Now the cube root of 27 is 3 because 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. So this will be 3. Now for the variable part. The cube root of y to the power of 6 means we are dividing the exponent of 6 by 3. So it will look like this. Y to the power of 6 divided by 3. Now 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So the final answer is then 3y squared. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.